Good day everyone, welcome to Career Show at London School of Emerging Technology. I'm Elizabeth, your host, and today we are diving into the world of data science with Python, a field filled with exciting opportunities and promise. Python is more than just a programming language. It's a key to unlocking the power of data. And in today's data-driven world, that's a big deal. So, what exactly is data science with Python? Well, it's all about using Python to analyze and interpret data, draw insights, and make informed decisions. It's like being a detective, but with data. And why is it so important? The answer is simple. Data is everywhere. Companies collect massive amounts of data every day, and they need skilled professionals who can turn that data into actionable insights. It's about solving real-world problems using the language of data. That's where you come in. With expertise in data science and Python, you will be in high demand. Data scientists are essential in various industries, from healthcare to finance, e-commerce to entertainment. It's a versatile and rewarding career path. Let's talk about career prospects. As a data scientist, you will have the opportunity to work in a growing field. The demand for data experts is rising and is expected to grow in the coming years. That means better job prospects and potentially higher salaries. What does it take to succeed in this field? You will need a strong foundation in Python and data analysis. You will also need to be curious, detail-oriented, and able to communicate your findings effectively. It's all about exploring the data, finding patterns, and translating them into actionable insights. If you are ready to embark on this promising career journey, LSET is here to help. Our Data Science with Python course will equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in this field. You will learn about data analysis, machine learning, visualization, and more. But that's not all. For those of you looking to explore other IT and business courses, LSET offers a wide range of options. Whether it's Java Spring Microservices, Full Stack Java, software automation testing, software manual testing, Java serverless development, machine learning, digital marketing, Python programming, or any other field, we have got the courses to suit your ambitions. When you choose LSET, you are not just choosing a course. You are opting for an education delivered by accomplished faculty members who are leaders in their respective fields. We ensure you receive a top-tier learning experience that prepares you for the real-world challenges of your chosen career. In conclusion, data science with Python is an exciting field that opens doors to countless opportunities. So, whether you are looking to upskill or are an eager student ready to explore our IT and business courses, visit LSET and take that first step toward a promising career in data analytics. Thanks for joining us today. and we will see you next time at LSET.